Hello everyone. With the new year fast approaching, I'm excited to discuss what I believe is one of the best AI tools to transform your work and boost your productivity in 2025. If you're looking to introduce AI into your work or simply want to boost your overall productivity, then I recommend you check out the tool Taskade. Taskade is a powerful project and task management tool crafted to streamline your workflow and enhance team collaboration. However, today we're focusing on what truly sets Taskade apart from other task management tools, and that is its advanced AI capabilities. In this video, we'll explore these AI features and how they can transform the way you work in 2025. Make sure you stick around until the end of the video to see how you can use Taskade to build your own AI army of workers. With that said, let's get started. Let's first take a look at Taskade, and I'll give you a quick overview of the UI so that you can better understand the features that I'll explain in this video. Taskade's UI is very simple to understand and follows a very basic hierarchy. On the left side, you have your workspaces, which in my case, I only have one created. Inside each workspace, you can create folders. In each folder, you will have your projects, and inside your projects is where your notes, tasks, and other more specific information lives. For example, inside my testing folder, I have a 2025 budget project, and inside this project, I have different tasks all related to next year's budget. Now that you're familiar with the general interface, let's move on to the AI capabilities within Taskade. The first AI feature that I want to explore is the AI Assistant. The AI Assistant in Taskade is your personal productivity guru, ready to write and edit your tasks with simple commands. You can access the AI Assistant from any screen in Taskade by clicking on the top right-hand corner and selecting Taskade AI. You can think of this assistant as a ChatGPT window inside of Taskade, but with a bit more functionality. This assistant uses the same GPT model as ChatGPT and can use the information stored inside your projects as context when providing you and replying to your questions. For example, notice that when I am outside of a project, the Taskade AI Assistant context is marked as general. However, when I am inside a project, the AI Assistant sets this context to the project. This way, I can ask any project-related question, and the assistant will know exactly what I'm talking about. For example, I can ask what tasks are due on December 18th, and I will get the corresponding answer. In addition to having a project context, you can also use the Taskade AI Assistant to perform certain actions or commands on specific tasks. Say, for example, you have a task to review the previous year's budget, but you need some help determining what to look for when you're doing this review. Simply click on the plus icon below the task, select AI Assistant, and run the Generate Questions command. Taskade's AI Assistant will come up with questions related to this topic, and once it's finished, you can insert this under the selected task, or you can create a new project with these questions. This makes brainstorming and creating plans and action items for different projects a lot easier. Speaking of projects, let's now take a look at the AI Project Studio within Taskade. Starting a professional or personal project can be overwhelming. This is where the AI Project Studio comes to the rescue. When starting a new project, click on Create with AI to bring up the AI Project Studio. From this screen, you can enter a description of what type of project you would like to create and let Taskade's AI handle the rest. You can select what view you would like the project to be created in and in what language. What is even more useful is that you can also upload files or use a link from a website or a YouTube video, and the AI will digest this information and create a project based on this input. Now, the output will not always be perfect, but this is a great way to get a baseline to work with when starting a new project. Notice how here in the AI Project Studio, I also have the option to enable or disable agent mode. So let's discuss what AI agents are in the next section. So this is the part of the video where we start getting into the more powerful AI functionalities of this tool. AI agents in Taskade are specialized assistants designed to automate tasks, conduct data analysis, and create content autonomously. You can think of these agents as your own AI army of workers, each tailored to perform specific functions seamlessly. You can interact with these AI agents through chat, or involve them in automations, which we will see at a later point in the video. What makes AI agents extremely powerful is the ability to customize them and tailor them to specific needs. For example, let's say I want to create an agent that is an expert in Taskade and can help me create content around this tool. Inside one of my folders, I can head on over to the Agents tab and select Create Agent. Next, I will give a small description of what I want this agent to be and work on, and click Next. Taskade will automatically populate the required information to create the agent, but will also allow us to customize each part. On the General tab, I can edit the general instruction for my new AI agent and choose the language and GPT model I want to use for this specific agent. Next, and probably the most powerful feature of AI agents, is the Knowledge tab. In this tab, you can import any type of media that you want to train your AI agent with. The AI agent will then use this knowledge when performing tasks and creating or replying to you or your queries. In this case, since I am creating a Taskade expert agent, I can add the links to the help articles found on Taskade's website and have my AI agent be trained with this information. In addition, I can also add links to YouTube videos related to Taskade, and the AI agent will also digest and train on this information. It's like creating your own ChatGPT with expertise on a specific subject. Next, you have your Tools section. Here, the important feature to highlight is that these agents have the ability to scrape web pages, meaning when you're chatting with your AI agent, you can ask it to find information on a specific web page, and the AI agent can do so. You can even ask it to help you find articles around a topic, and the AI agent can provide this as well. The last thing to highlight with AI agents is the Commands section. Here you can create specific commands or tasks that you want your agent to execute without having to retype the instructions every time. Say for example I want to have this Taskade expert agent help me write scripts for YouTube videos. I can create a command with this specific instruction so that later on, when I am chatting with this agent, I can simply call this command and the agent will know exactly what to do. Once you have made all your appropriate updates, simply click on Update and you will now be ready to interact with your AI agent and have them work for you. The next AI feature that I want to introduce is AI teams. AI teams in Taskade represent groups of AI agents working collaboratively to tackle complex projects and bounce ideas off each other. You can set up an AI team by selecting the AI Teams tab inside of a folder and creating a new team. Think of AI teams as virtual departments within your workspace. Each team is composed of specialized AI agents that collectively handle various aspects of a project. By pooling their unique skills, AI teams ensure that tasks are executed efficiently and with precision. Say, for example, you want to launch a new marketing campaign, and you already have a research agent in charge of researching the latest marketing trends. You have an insights or data analyst agent that's been trained with information of your latest marketing campaigns, and you have a marketing strategist. You can put all three of these agents into an AI team and have a chat with them to come up with ideas, plans, timelines, and other things related to the new marketing campaign. I personally have not had the chance to use this feature a lot, but nevertheless, I think it's something very interesting to explore. The last and my favorite functionality that I want to discuss are automations. Now, this may or may not be fully AI related, depending on how you build these automations, but nevertheless, it's an extremely powerful feature included in Taskade. Let me explain. Automations in Taskade allow users to automate routine tasks and workflows by using simple "if this happens, then do this" logic. For example, let's say I have a project for brainstorming different video ideas. Now I know we already created an agent that can help me write YouTube video scripts about Taskade, but what if I want to automate this whole process? I can actually set up an automation where every time I assign one of these ideas in my brainstorming project to my username, Taskade will kick off an automation that will send this idea to the Taskade AI agent that I created, and Taskade will have the agent write the video script on that particular topic and output the result with a brand new project. If I head over to the Automations tab inside my testing folder, I can see here that I have already built a couple of automations, including this YouTube video script one. When I open it up, I can see that this process is triggered or starts when a task is assigned in the Video Ideas project. After the task is assigned, the automation triggers. The next step in the workflow is to run an agent command. In this case, we are using the Taskade expert agent, and we're running the YouTube video script command. We are using the task content, again, from the Video Ideas project as the input for this command. This is basically telling the Taskade expert agent to go ahead and write a YouTube video script using the task contained in the Video Ideas project. Once the AI agent has a result, we are then finishing our automation by placing the final script in a new project. With this feature, you can create some very powerful automations, not only within Taskade, but you can also connect to other systems such as Gmail or Twitter or LinkedIn in order to post things automatically to those social media platforms, or even create tasks every time you receive an email. So lots of things that you can do around automations, but this was just a very quick example, just showing you how powerful this can be. As we wrap up, I hope you found this deep dive into Taskade's AI capabilities as fascinating as I do. We live in an era where technology is rapidly transforming how we work, and tools like Taskade are at the forefront of this exciting journey. Remember, the key to harnessing the full potential of any tool is to understand its features and how they can be tailored to your unique needs. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow, enhance collaboration, or build an AI-powered team, Taskade can offer you a solution for this. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or would like to share any other AI tool you're currently using, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like the video if it helped you, and until next time, take care.